Is that correct?
Yes, I am. I am right now. I am here. I am here.
Do you live here or part-time or?
No, I still live in Haiti.
Okay. All right. Well,
I
these
come back and forth, but
I
I
see.
still live in Haiti. Yes.
Okay. Well, I'd like to offer you these free flowers. They're beautiful long stem roses. They're free of charge. The only thing we ask in return is that you talk about us on your social media, like your Facebook or Instagram or Snapchat, that kind of thing.
Oh, no problem. No problem. I have no problem with that. Can you send them? There's someone I want to send in Jacmel.
Okay, well,
Jacmel, Haiti.
okay, so you want to send these flowers out to someone, is that correct?
Yes,
Okay.
in Jacmel, Haiti.
So you want to send flowers back to Haiti. Didn't you say you were here?
Yes, but someone special to me, I want to send them flower in Jacmel, Haiti.
Okay, so you don't thought maybe you would want to send the flowers to someone here in the United States. Since we're in the United States, it would probably be a lot easier.
No, I want to send to Jacmel no information about my credit card, right?
No credit card is necessary.
Okay.
Nothing. No.
I don't do that, okay?
So no problem. So who's the person that you would like to send the roses to in Haiti?
Her name is Claire.
Claire.
Her name is Claire. Yeah, her name is Claire.
All right. I'll get the last name in just a second, but why don't you give me the message that you want to put on the card?
Okay, the message is Chérie, moi mais en pile, m'vle wè ou, besoin pou el m'kounya.
No, I didn't catch all that. You're gonna have to. Are you speaking French or?
I'm speaking my language.
Okay. Well, I'm so sorry, but I don't.
How am I supposed to send a message when she don't speak English? You call me.
Right. I know. I didn't know that you were gonna. Hey, what about Tiana? She speaks English.
What? What are you?
What do you mean? What?
Talking?
What are you talking about?
talking about?
What are you talking about? What are you doing?
What are you? Who you have on your phone?
Well, Tiana, you want to say something to Jean?
Please,
You sent roses to somebody else?
baby, don't listen to them, okay?
Baby from you.
Baby, don't listen to them, okay? They are lying on me.
No, we're not. The girl's name is Claire.
What are we doing? Why are you doing this?
Well, what's happening, Gene, is you are on national radio right now here in New York City on WKT Radio, on iHeartRadio. That's Marie. You've been speaking with Marie.
Oh.
And Marie's not with the Rose Company. She's with an afternoon show called War of the Roses on Hollywood Hamilton.
She's my friend, okay? Baby.
I want to hear baby something. I buy you tickets. I cook your food.
You know I love you. I love you.
You.
No, but listen, just wait.